Keeping your lawn looking good is easy with a BLACK+DECKER mower. When it comes time to fix a dulling blade, you can either purchase a new one or sharpen your existing blade. I'll show you how to sharpen your mower's blade so that you can have the best looking lawn on the block. Be sure to read and follow the step-by-step instructions in your mower's manual. As always, wear eye protection and gloves when you're working on your mower or blade. To start, check that the mower is unplugged or that the safety key and battery pack are removed. Then, place the mower on its side. Wedge a 2x4 under the blade to hold it in place. Carefully remove the bolt and washer, but do not remove the fan. Inspect the blade for damage. If it is bent or damaged, then it should definitely be replaced. Next, secure the blade in a vise. Carefully sharpen the blade with a fine-tooth file or sharpening stone. Be sure to maintain the original cutting edge. Sharpen both ends equally to keep the blade balanced. Once you've sharpened the blade, it's important to check its balance. Clamp a screwdriver horizontally in a vise. Then place the center hole of the blade over the shank. If either end rotates downward, file more material from that end. When neither end drops, that means the blade is balanced. Now it's time to reattach the blade. Place the blade back on the post with the writing facing away from the mower. Again, wedge the 2x4 under the blade. Then tighten the bolt and washer back into place. And now, your mower is ready to go. Generally, sharpening the blade twice per season is good enough to keep your mower in top shape.